Hello dear friends! Now you will see another selection of coolest products from Amazon sites. All links to the products in the description below the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go!
It's Jason with ThruNite. Let's talk about the ThruNite T1. The T1 is an instant favorite. Easily pocketable, simple to operate, and unlimited brightness adaptability. It's a solid choice for everyday carry for a lot of people. The T1 is built with grip in mind. The small striped milling creates a strong and durable texture that is much preferred over a smooth and polished finish. The tail is magnetic and can be a huge benefit in situations that require two hands. So if you're working in tight spaces, the T1 is going to be great. The T1 runs on an 18350 battery with a maximum output of 1500 lumens. Its infinity modes allow stepless brightness selection, anywhere from 15 lumens to 685 lumens. The beam has a perfectly balanced hotspot for optimal clarity. The battery indicator shows when you need to charge it up, so it's always ready when you are. The T1 also has a lockout mode, which will prevent the light from automatically turning on in your pocket. The T1 comes in black as well as limited edition dark green and desert tan finishes for those who enjoy the classic outdoor look. The desert tan, as of uploading this video, is 30% off on our website, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Wrapping up, we think the T1 is a perfect light for having around the house, as well as a great EDC light. It's small enough and powerful enough to be a great asset wherever you need it.
The Fenix TK16 version 2 tactical flashlight is a true performer and can blast a maximum 3100 lumens over 400 yards. The exposed dual tail switch design allows for easy one-handed operation. Use the large round switch for on, off, and momentary on. Use the smaller function switch to choose between 5 brightness levels. And to instantly activate strobe. Powered by an included 21700 battery, which has twice the capacity of a standard 18650. To recharge it, simply remove the battery and plug into its USB Type-C port. The intelligent step-down feature helps control heat. Ready for any situation, the TK16 has a stainless steel strike bezel with integrated tungsten steel glass braking tips. And it's built tough, with high-strength aluminum and an IP68 dustproof and waterproof rating. Compatible with the best Fenix tactical accessories, the Fenix TK16 version 2 tactical flashlight will be your go-to tool. The PD36R is a high-performance flashlight that utilizes the new 21700 battery type with 5000 milliamp hours of capacity. This amazing battery helps this light throw 1600 lumens over 300 yards. But more importantly, it doubles the run times, allowing you to explore or work long into the night. The tactical tail switch operates on, off, and momentary on. The side switch cycles through 5 brightness levels, plus strobe. USB Type-C charging allows you to quickly recharge your light. The built-in battery level indicator allows you to always know your battery's status. Two-way body clip lets you carry the PD36R like you want. Not too big, not too small. It's a great all-purpose size. IP68 rated waterproofed and dustproofed. The PD36R flashlight is the perfect lighting tool for those needing maximum brightness and extended runtime.